Guys, stop whatever you're doing right now, cause I brought something today that is genuinely making me question every other laptop I have ever used. This is Alienware 16 Aurora, and by the end of this video, you will understand exactly why this machine is on a completely different level. First thing first, moment you pick it up, you know this is not regular everyday laptop. The build is super solid, no flex anywhere, no cheap plastic feeling. Alienware is a Dell gaming brand, and these guys never cut corners on build quality. It looks clean, it looks premium, and honestly it looks expensive because it is. The design is bold but not over the top. Now let's talk about this screen. 16-inch and resolution is 1440p, much sharper than your normal full HD laptop. Colors are 100% sRGB, which means what you see on the screen are accurate, not wash out, not oversaturate, just clean and real. One more thing, this screen is slightly taller than normal laptop, 16:10 ratio instead of 16:9, and a 1440p resolution 120Hz is the right choice. Your games will feel smooth and the GPU can push great frame rate easily. Now the specs, and this is where it gets really exciting. Processor is Intel Core i7-240H, 10 core, RAM 16GB DDR5, storage 1TB SSD. Now here is the part that most people miss. Both the RAM and SSD slot on this laptop or upgradable. So if you want to go 32GB later, you can. The kind of future proofing is honestly rare to see. Okay, this is the part everyone actually cares about. This laptop has NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 with 8GB of GDDR7 memory. The RTX 5060 is from NVIDIA's brand new Blackwell generation. This is not old stock, this is next gen graphic available right now. You might think, what makes this card really special in 2026? In simple words, NVIDIA's AI technology generates extra frames for you. So games that are very heavy and demanding like Cyberpunk or GTA 5, you turn on DLSS 4 and the game becomes very smooth and very beautiful. This is genuinely future-proofing graphics for the next 4 to 5 years. Now two things ask about gaming laptops: heating and battery. Alienware uses something called Cryo-Tech dual fan system with multiple heat pipes. No thermal throttling on sudden frame drop in the mid of a game. Now battery. This one genuinely surprised me. From normal use, YouTube, college work, browsing, video calls, you can easily get through a full day without reaching charger. For the gaming, you will want to keep it plugged in, but for everything else, the battery holds up really well. Ports. Alienware has not cut corners here. You get everything you need. USB connections, video output, all covered, and it comes with Wi-Fi 7, the latest and fastest Wi-Fi standards available right now. Bluetooth 5.4. The keyboard feels really nice to type on. The trackpad. Smooth, accurate, responsive, no complaints. This is a laptop for someone who wants a premium gaming experience, proper build quality, a beautiful 1440p display, good battery life, and a machine that will stay relevant for years. The RTX 5060 with DLSS is genuinely future-proof. Come visit us. The link to find nearest store is right there in the description below. And if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.